If James Bond's Q division were uprooted from the SAS building in London and transported to a business park in Cardiff, chances are it would look a lot like BCB International. This company boasts a team of brilliant engineers and scientists, including former service personnel. Under the auspices of BCB's own version of Q, Head of R&D Derek Taylor, they invent jaw-dropping technology for the military and special forces. Here are some highlights from the massive range of military innovations BCB has brought to market. Although you may not know BCB, you may have heard of the blast boxers it brought out in 2012. These armoured underpants are made from woven Kevlar to offer protection against IED blast fragments. So popular did they prove that although they didn't make their way into standard British Army kit, many soldiers and their loved ones bought their own online. These bomb-proof pants are just one part of a range of armour and webbing kit BCB makes. The ever-growing threat of piracy has driven the need for non-lethal boat stopping measures. BCB makes a range to stop boats of all sizes, based around a scuba-style compressed air launcher. This fires an entanglement line and 2 water chutes across the path of an enemy vessel to slow it down or stop it altogether. As the attacking vessel engages the line, the chutes inflate, causing up to 2 tons of drag, which can slow the craft down from 40 knots to 4 knots almost instantly. Buccaneer can be triggered manually or remotely, from distances of up to 300 metres away, from offshore platforms or by crew on board ships. Same compressed air technology, known as kinetic impact system, is used in BCB's wall breaker. This breaching system launches an ordinary office water cooler bottle at a concrete wall with so much force it leaves a man-sized hole. All the energy is completely dissipated in the impact, so it doesn't risk the lives of any civilians or hostages that may be held behind it. One item that will always be in a soldier's essential kit is camouflage paint. BCB supplies 3 colour compact kits to the British MOD and other international armed forces. The brown, green and black skin creams don't just hide soldiers hiding in woodland, they're also infrared reflective, so wearers are harder to detect by night vision sensors. BCB also makes survival kits, contained in a tin that can be used for cooking. Just 11 centimetres long, each manages to cram in dozens of survival essentials, including a wire saw, a flint and striker to start fires, fishing hooks and a knife. Some also contain condoms, but not for emergency shenanigans, just to collect rainwater. In the time available, I've barely touched on the range of products BCB makes. Those we didn't cover include a range of innovative surveillance drones and solid non-toxic cooking fuel called Fire Dragon. As I record this latest in defence, the NATO summit is underway just down the road from BCB in Newport in Wales. While the 28 member states debate world affairs, the event is also being used as a shop window for Wales's aerospace and defence industry. BCB may not be one manufacturer everyone's heard of, but its innovations are worth keeping an eye out for. Take care and see you next time on Latest in Defence.